Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. We are already considering the concept of image formation for convex lens. We have looked at certain positions of objects and we have seen the nature of the image that are formed at this different position. In the previous video, we considered when the object was located at 2f2, or rather we can still say 2f. Now we saw that the image will be formed at exactly 2f or 2f1 on the other side of the lens, right? And we outlined the properties of this image. We mentioned that the image is going to be real. We mentioned that the image is going to be inverted. We mentioned that the image is going to be same size as the object. We also mentioned that the image is going to be same distance from the lens as the object. In this video, we want to consider a different object position when we bring our object between 2f2 and f2. Where will the image be formed, and what will be the nature and the properties of this image that is formed? So let's see that when object is between 2f2 and f2, right? So we have this. We have this. So now I would label here as usual f2. I would label here 2f2. I would label here f1. I would label here 2f1. So if we place our object somewhere in between 2f2 and f2, we follow the rules. One of the rules I'm following is this: parallel rays through entering your lens. When it hits the center of your lens, it comes out, right, through the focal point on the other side. Now I want to follow another rule. Since we have a ray, should I use this? Okay, let's go with this rule since we've not used it. So if I have a ray entering through the optical center, right, to go straight unrefracted. So even though this is not so much drawn to scale, but let me try to still get it right. So if you have this to go straight unrefracted, so you can see it. So if you consider where both of them are intersecting, you see their point of intersection. Remember, their point of intersection is where your image would be formed. So this is going to be our image. So this is going to be our image. That is where our image is formed. Now, what are the properties of this image formed? We're going to outline them. Properties. Number one property of this image is that we can see that the image is formed. Image is formed. It's formed behind 2f1, or we can say image is formed behind 2f. Number two property we can also see is that image is real. And then number three, image is inverted. And then number four, image is magnified. So that's to say image is bigger than the object. So these are the properties we have seen from the image when our object is placed between 2f2 and 2f1. This is where our image will be formed, and these are the properties of that image. Now, in the next video, we're going to consider a different position or location for our object and see where the image will be formed. Please do well to hit the subscribe button if you have been watching my videos without subscribing. Thanks to those that are always supporting me, commenting, sharing my videos. I really appreciate you. Remember, the person teaching is Prime Concept. Thank you.